back, ladies and gentlemen, to part 14 of Let's Play Grandmaster by Mandy. Part 14? I guess part 14. Believe so. Check. Part 14, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. We are here now. We're playing Billy and Irwin. And I am Fred Fredberger, story mode with that night guy. Yeah. Fucking dude. I'm not gonna let facing Billy off. See, Billy's not gonna be easy.
Ha 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 ha.